Hi and welcome to the session. Today we will discuss the following question. The question says, a gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remains same. Find the minimum number of plants he need more for this. Let us proceed for its solution. As it is given in the question that the number of rows and the number of columns should be same. So let's assume the number of rows and columns to be x. So let the number of rows equal to x. Also let the number of columns equal to x. Therefore, total number of plants is equal to number of rows, that is x, into number of columns, that is x, which will be equal to x square, and in question we are given that the total plants are 1,000. So that means x square will be equal to 1,000, which will give us, on taking square root on both sides, x equal to square root of 1,000. Now let's find out the square root of 1,000 by long division method. First of all, place a bar over every pair of digits starting from 1's digit, that is 0. So let's place a bar over 0, 0 and 10. Now take the number under the leftmost bar, that is 10, as the dividend. Also find the number whose square is less than or equal to the dividend, that is 10. We have 3 square equal to 9 and 4 square equal to 16. So 9 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 16. Or 3 square is less than 10 and 10 is less than 4 square. And we need to find a number whose square is less than or equal to 10. So we will take the number as 3. So let's take 3 as divisor and the quotient also. And 3 times 3 is 9. So subtracting 9 from the dividend 10, we will get the remainder as 1. Now bring down the number under the next bar, that is 0, 0, to the right of the remainder and get the new dividend as 100. Also double the divisor, that is 3 plus 3 is 6, and enter it with a blank on its right. And find the largest possible digit to fill in the blank, which will also become the new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the new dividend, that is 100. So here we have 61 into 1 equal to 61 and 62 into 2 equal to 124. And 61 is less than 100 and 100 is less than 124. And we need a number which is less than or equal to 100. So we will take the digit as 1. So let's write 1 over here and get the new divisor as 61. Also 1 is the new digit in the quotient. So 61 into 1 is equal to 61. And subtracting 61 from the dividend 100, we will get the remainder as 39. Now since the remainder is 39, that means 1,000 is not a perfect square, which implies that with 1,000 plants, number of rows cannot be equal to the number of columns. So to make them equal, we need to add some more plants to 1,000. So let's find out the number of plants to be added. Now as the remainder is 39, that means 31 square is less than 1,000. So let's write that. We get 31 square is less than 1,000, and the next perfect square number is 32 square. So, next, perfect square number is 32 square, which is equal to 1024. Now, to get a perfect square, to make number of rows equal to number of columns, we will add a number to 1000 and make it equal to 1024, that is 32 square. So, the minimum number of plants needed more is equal to 32 square minus 1000. That is equal to 32 square is 1024 minus 1000, and that is equal to 24. Thus, our answer for this question is 24 plants. With this, we finish this session. Hope you must have understood the concept. Goodbye, take care and have a nice day.